but Colorado Yakpak is taking you to Florida, y'all. Yak. Dude, I caught the gator. What do I do? Fish on! Damn, Pack. Look at this freaking toad.
Did you get his shoulder up?
Kinda wanna throw a frog, but the gator ate it. Dude, I finally found these fishies and you ruined it, you gator. Heck yeah.
And for reference.
Dude.
Episode 2, Colorado Yakpak goes to Florida, episode 2. Everybody sit back, hope you enjoy where we left off from the last episode. From the gator forward, and you guys hopefully are excited to watch it as I was excited to bring it to y'all. Yeah, it was a fun trip. Enjoy this second part and strap in.
Well, I caught a gator. Guys, I don't know what to do here. I feel bad. Guys, I caught the goddamn gator. Man, you shouldn't with my shit. I see it. Damn it. I'm trying, bro. Okay, hang tight. Well, I'm trying. Guys, I don't know what to do here. This 8-pound line holding this gator pretty good though, y'all. I'm not trying to make jokes. I'm not happy I got this. I want my hook back. I only brought so many of these hooks. I see it. We're gonna try something here, y'all. Stay over here, bro. Well, on the positive note, I kept the weight. You guys can see this. The weight and my bait that I just put on. But now there's a gator running around there with a hook in its mouth. God dang it, dude. I said leave it alone. Well, I was for sure recording that time, y'all. And y'all saw that gator get snagged. And y'all definitely saw them fish. And dang, the bite is strong and he is messing me up. I've never been on this much juice. And the gator gotta come and take that away, but I think he went under for a bit. He's not feeling too happy. The positive note of what happened there, the gator's gone. Hopefully he'll just stay away. Ruined my bait, the gator did. Let's get my trash up, y'all. Leaving trash out ain't a good thing. And just for reference, y'all, I'm gonna show you how close this pond is to where I'm staying. I mean, I could almost chuck a rock. Going with the offset hook. I think this is a 4-aught. Again, because that's what YouTube said to use. Haha. Where's your buddy at? I caught him again. I wasn't trying to. I caught 2 fish. 2 casts, 2 fish. And then this damn freaking gator come and steal my freaking bait, Greg. I tried to get it out of his mouth. At least you don't want nothing right now. You are docile. Like, there's some deadly food out here right now. Well, it wasn't 3 casts, 3 fish, y'all. But it's a valiant effort. All right, y'all, we're going to breakfast. I'm gonna cast my way out of here, as any good fisherman would do, right? We want breakfast, James. I'm like, I want Mondos and freaking brutes. Some Florida brutes and some largies. That's what I want. I'd like to catch one before I go. One more. One more would be super sweet, y'all. Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Give me one more. One more before we head out. Now, I'm not gonna use this strategy, y'all. But man, he seemed to hook that gator one time or two. He kind of stay away for a little bit after that. He don't want none. All right. I better keep it moving or they're gonna get mad. This is the scene of the 5-pounder or 6-pounder and the 3 to 4-pounder. I need to get a scale. All right, we gotta go. We will return. But let me show y'all how far this house is. Here's the pond. And that's the house.
Gator catcher.
Damn it, I caught him again. All right, Yakpak. Round 3 or something, 4. I'm losing track. 3. Round 4. Oh shit, got the density.
Hey.
I'm gonna hit the pond again. He's gonna try to catch him with that crawdaddy.
Who's your crawdaddy?
Who's your crawdaddy? Go get dinner?
We're about to catch dinner.
Okay.
So first, find where the alligator is.
That's usually what I do when I first walk down here, dude. I look for the gator. Now, I learned that last time I left him, he was in the grasses right over there. Usually once we start casting, he likes to come on out. Oh, that's right, y'all. Got the new Florida vacationer fishing hat for my dumb ass. I think he's right over there, though, actually, to be honest with you. Maybe he wants to stay away. Got my buddy Mike over there. We got him on a Guggen bait. Oh, it's just a weed, okay. We got him on a Kraken crawl. I'm still using this 3.8 swimmer from Lost Creek. You get bit? Telling you, man. If you feel it, man. Guess I'm just trying to squeeze in a couple more casts before we hit nightfall. And I can't really film out here. Fish on! Hey, come over here, man. I think they're over here. Heck yeah, y'all. Fish on, Dempsey. Oh, that's pretty good. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, huh?
That's a big old boy right there.
Yeah, that ain't bad.
Right?
Yeah, my hook got me. Heck yeah.
Hand for reference.
Dude. This is where I caught him earlier too. At first I was like, what is it? Oh, that's a fish. All right, Yakpak. All right, it is Sunday. It's our last full day here. We fly out tomorrow morning. You know what? We're gonna go rip a lip down here, hopefully real fast. But I should know better than this, because I've been down here, and I'm gonna need more equipment. There's Greg. Okay. Just in case, y'all. Let's go deal with this gator. Hopefully he leaves it alone. He's getting smarter. Becoming a smart dude. And like I told y'all, like, this pond right there. All right, too. This is my first time using the Guggen bait out here in Florida. Got a trench hog. black flash, blue flake. I'm gonna go ahead and show you we can't rip a lip or two, y'all. Let's go back to my sweet spot where the honey hole is. Watch out for some gators. I'll put you all up on my chest here. Oh, there was a big old fish right there, y'all. Right there. Come on, Trenchy. I think something bit that. Send it right back out there. Gotta keep our wits about us, y'all. I don't know if they like this crawdad. It's creature bait, y'all. They like them swimmers, though. Go switch to a swimmer. Lets me cast down this bank line where I think they mostly are. See? Told y'all. First cast over here. Hell yeah, fish on, Yakpak. Yak, yak, yak. Ooh, he's a runner. Damn, Pack. Look at this freaking toad. He is a toad, Pack. Yak, 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 yak. Dude, he hammered this thing. Hammered it, y'all. Fucking first cast down the line. This is where they are, people. Fish number 5, y'all. On my little vacation honey hole. Come on, fish. Love to catch another one right now. Oh, there's the gator, bro. Finally. All right, guys. One last cast before the guys get all mad at me. All right, Yakpak. Hope you dig my Florida vacation hat. Another fish on. My little 20-minute fishing excursions. Off to play some paintball. I get to finally play 3-man. Been coaching this whole weekend. But we out this beast. Yakpak home. Not really.
Two hours later.
Got a dislocated shoulder here. Hanging with Epstein. Let's go, Jay! Jesus. Here we go. Gangster! Hey, James, let's reset that shoulder, boy! Let's reset that shoulder, boy! How you doing, buddy? Fucking gangster, baby. MVP, dog.
That's it, Colorado Yakpak. James again here in my garage, filming this outro because I didn't have enough card space when we got done with my filming. But again, we can scold me later for that. We're excited that you sat down and watched our two-part series. As you can see here, caught a gator, caught some fish. My first bass of my life, y'all. But you know, we're excited to bring you guys this content, get us away from that winter time fun we're having here in Colorado. My first personal video, and it was a pleasure to bring it to y'all. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. We really appreciate everybody tuning in to the videos. It means a lot to us, just sharing some fun adventures that we have. All right, and again, if you like it, and if you love it, come join us.
Hey, he's still recording. We're gonna
Oh,
be
shit.
on